Kanye West, the renowned American rapper who is now going by the name Ye, publicly expressed his remorse and extended an apology to the Jewish community for making offensive comments in the past. The incident took place last year when Ye made anti-Semitic remarks, causing heated controversy. However, on Tuesday, he took the opportunity to rectify his actions and make amends. In an effort to demonstrate his sincere remorse, Ye reached out to Rabbi Mordecai, a prominent figure within the Jewish community, to personally express his regret and apology. The rapper acknowledged the offensive nature of his remarks and acknowledged the hurt that his words may have caused. This gesture is a significant step towards healing the wounds caused by his previous actions. Public figures and celebrities play a significant role in shaping public opinion and setting cultural trends. Unfortunately, there have been instances where influential individuals have made derogatory comments or expressed prejudiced views. However, Ye's decision to take responsibility and publicly apologize serves as an important reminder of the power and impact that public figures hold in society. By holding himself accountable, Ye has taken a crucial step towards promoting empathy, understanding, and inclusivity. This apology not only demonstrates his growth as an individual, but it also sets an example for others to recognize the consequences of their own actions and words. It is important to note that Ye's apology does not absolve him of the damage caused by his previous comments. However, it is commendable that he has taken the initiative to publicly acknowledge his mistake and make a genuine apology. This incident serves as a reminder that any form of prejudice or discrimination should not be tolerated, and individuals are responsible for their words and actions, regardless of their stature or influence. The rapper's apology to the Jewish community highlights the significance of promoting dialogue, understanding, and unity in our increasingly diverse and interconnected world. It is crucial for individuals in positions of influence to foster an environment where hate speech and intolerance are not tolerated. As this incident continues to unfold, it remains to be seen how Ye's apology will be received by the Jewish community and the general public. However, his actions serve as an opportunity for personal growth and a call to all of us to reflect on our own words and actions, ensuring they promote harmony and respect among individuals from all walks of life.